Hey guys, in this video I'll show you best icons on script special for you, and if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next indicator and next update videos. Okay, and if you not join my telegram channel, please join my telegram channel, link in my description box. Okay, and if you not join best binary option broker account, link in my description box, simply click and sign up and start binary trading and forex trading. Okay, and if you download this indicator and script, link in my description box, simply click and download it. Okay, and start forex binary trading. Okay, and what is the indicator? Indicator is, this indicator shows candlestick name. Okay, when shows candlestick name, here it is angle phi, angle 4 is a angle for candle, market should be go down. Okay, and if marbuju is a market go up. Okay, his angle phi is a market should be go down. Okay, here is a script, very good script, automatic candlestick generator. Okay, and if you download it, link in my description box. Okay, so let's start trading with this script. Okay,
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away. Smile until I look away. But I've known you too